So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to clear recent searches on Microsoft Edge. So first up, after you open up the Microsoft Edge browser, go to this three dot, go to settings. After you come to settings, now click on this privacy search and services. So now go to this clear browsing data. So from this option here it says clear browsing data now. So click on this choose what to clear. So from this option now select this one, browsing history. So that's what you want to clear. So after you select the browsing history, make sure to uncheck all the rest. So select only browsing history. So click on this option to select the time range. So for this, you can be able to select last hours, 24 hours, last 4 weeks, or all time. So for this video, I want to use like, let's say last 4 weeks, and click on this clear now. So from there now, it will clear the search history and the browsing data for the last 4 weeks on my browser. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next one.